Hello and welcome to the Expert Academy and this course on strategic partnerships. There is a popular saying, "No man is an island." This saying also applies to the business world today, as collaborations and partnerships have taken over several sectors in the global business industry. You need to understand how strategic partnerships work and know their importance for businesses today. There are several ways for you to build and maintain a strategic business relationship and get the most out of your business alliances. This course will assure you to take that step towards forming strong, successful strategic partnerships that will elevate your business. You're likely here if you're a manager looking to understand how to build and maintain strategic partnerships. You might be a business owner who needs to understand how to utilize your current strategic partnerships for maximum profit. If this sounds like you, then this course on strategic partnerships will solve your issues and alleviate your concerns. Through a series of short video-based lectures, you will learn how to plan and set up a successful partnership, how to navigate issues when working with other businesses, examples of successful strategic partnerships, what digital strategic partnerships involve, how to identify potential partnerships, the benefits of forming strategic partnerships, the impact partnerships can make on your client base, and frameworks to implement in your own business. This course will be beneficial for any professional interested in learning about strategic partnerships, but will be particularly useful for managers who want to learn more about how strategic partnerships can drive revenue, business owners who want to make connections but aren't sure of the process, entrepreneurs who want to reach a broader audience, professionals who want to get more out of their current business partnerships, business owners who want to learn how they can use different strategies to save time and mitigate risk, and anyone looking to develop a more strategic approach to business development. Over a series of short video-based lectures, we will give you the instruments you need to understand and build successful strategic partnerships, which will ensure they help you meet your business goals and objectives. We will discuss how you can plan and set up a successful business partnership, making navigating the world of business relationships easy. We will also work through some issues arising from setting up strategic alliances and teach you how to avoid the common problems accompanying business partnerships. We are confident that upon completing this course, you will have the necessary knowledge and skills to create and maintain successful business partnerships to meet your company's goals and objectives. So, are you ready to equip yourself with the skills needed to build and maintain strategic partnerships that will elevate your business, increase your reach, and drive sales? Then let's dive into the course and start by defining strategic partnerships. A strategic business partnership involves two companies or organizations sharing ideas and resources to achieve shared goals and objectives. As a business owner looking to grow in your market, partnerships are an excellent way to stay connected to your consumers and ensure their loyalty. Strategic partnerships generate value for the parties involved through offered services, information, or resources that one party doesn't have or cannot access. Let's look at what statistics can tell us about strategic alliances. According to a 2020 report on how to grow as a business by the Business Performance Innovation Network, 57% of organizations use business partnerships to gain new customers, while 44% form partnerships to acquire innovations and ideas. According to the 2008 book entitled Strategic Alliances: How to Make Them Work by Steven Steinhilber, more than 2,000 strategic partnerships are formed yearly, with a growth rate of 15% each year. Furthermore, a 2022 report by Harvard Business Review on what makes innovation partnerships succeed showed that 94% of tech executives see innovation partnerships as a necessary part of their business strategy. These statistics show that strategic partnerships are still crucial to a business's success, expansion, and continuation. Now that you know what strategic partnerships entail, you might wonder what makes up a strategic partnership and what the key elements of strategic partnerships are. A 2019 article entitled Three Key Elements of a Successful Strategic Alliance by legal consultants Legal Vision reported the following key elements of a successful strategic partnership. 1. Shared core values. For any partnership to work, the parties involved must share the same or similar core values. When you or your business partner have misaligned values, it can be the most destructive element of your strategic partnership. These values include your business's culture, operational style, strategy, and vision. The more your values overlap with your business partners, the stronger your alliance. Let's look at an example. Say you're a startup tech company looking to understand management and operations by partnering up with a high-level management company. This same management company can benefit from your innovation and cultural practices. 2. Committed integration. Since you have taken the step to enter into a strategic business partnership, it is essential to remember that you can't perform the duties alone. You must ensure continuous contact between the executives and employees of both companies through activities, events, and meetings. Integration is crucial to successful strategic partnerships because the more people you involve in the alliance, the greater the chance of connection between the partners. Most of the time, strategic business partnerships occur first through the top executives of each organization. However, involving individuals at various levels in each organization in the business partnership will make it easier for all the parties involved to implement initiatives. The question then is, how can you get everyone in the company involved in the strategic partnership? One way is to create a joint project team involving people from both companies, or create a partnership board. And 3, individual strength. Each company coming into a strategic business partnership must have its USP, or strength, something the other party lacks or an aspect that can strengthen the other party. For example, if you are a startup business owner, your focus might be narrow since you currently serve a small market. However, partnering with a management company whose strength is operation will help you fill the management gap that you have, and you can fill the innovation gap that perhaps the other company has. Now that we understand the elements that make up a strategic partnership, what is the main purpose of these alliances? The primary purpose of a strategic partnership is to add long-term value to the involved companies by expanding their business and increasing their market share and consumer base. In their 2019 paper, Invest in Partnerships to Drive Growth and Competitive Advantage, Forrester Consulting reported that companies with mature strategic partnership programs grew twice the overall company revenue than those with less mature strategic partnerships. This shows how a partnership benefits the parties involved, increases brand awareness, leads to long-term profit, creates brand trust, and adds to overall company value. And with that, you've reached the end of this introductory lecture. Your task now is to download and complete the introduction worksheet. Join us in the next lecture, where we will explore how you can build successful strategic partnerships. See you there.